Hello everyone, welcome back to Rev Explorers. I'm Viraj Bhatnagar and we are back with one more DIY. This time we are installing NaoEvo's MR Lion 70 watt LED headlight in Honda Amaze. Now this is an H4 socket and we have already done a video for MR Eagle 90 watt H4 socket. This time this is 70 watt. So someone who is not willing to go all the way up to 90 watt and installing the cutout relay and everything, 70 watt can be installed directly. You can just remove your old bulb and install this LED headlight. Very simple. So let's open this box first. I'll tell you the specifications and how it feels and then we are going to install it. So this is also called as P1. It is H4 socket. You get this manual. MR Lion is the product name and this is the headlight. So as you can see, the build quality is absolutely phenomenal. You have golden NaoEvo branding as well as this lion on it, and it's all black. The MR Eagle was all silver. This is all black and it is very heavy and looks very sturdy. This headlight is 8400 lumen per bulb. That means 16,800 lumen as a set, and it is 70 watt as I already told you. 6500 Kelvin is the color temperature and you get 1 year warranty. The purchase link for this headlight is in the description below, and the only catch is you'll get this headlight for 2000 rupees only, but you'll have to collaborate with 4 of your friends because you can order minimum 4 pieces and then only you get it for 2000 rupees. It is very cheap for the quality you get. And if you want the 90 watt headlight, then the link will be right over here. Go ahead, check it out and you can buy it as well. It is just 2500 rupees per set, but you'll have to buy 4. Now let's install this headlight in the Honda Amaze and we are going to also test it out. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that bell so you are never missing out any notification. Installing the H4 headlights are the most simplest. You just pull out this socket and then you pull out this rubber cup. Now you can see your bulb. You just have to release the lock pin and your bulb is free. That's it. Installing an LED is even easier. You just free the mounting plate, you put it in. You do not have to install the light immediately. You just put in the mounting plate and then lock it in place. Now after that, you put back this rubber cup and now is the time to put the headlight back in. Just make sure that your headlight is perpendicular to the lines in the reflector. And the cup of the low beam should be facing upwards. Similarly, we are going to install on the other side as well. Remove the plug, then the rubber cup, and then we free the old bulb. And then we are going to install the plate first. So this side needs to be down, this side needs to be on the top. You take the plate in and you lock it back. The plate is now installed. Now we are going to install the rubber cup, secure it perfectly, and now it's time to put the LED in. Hold it firmly and then rotate, but make sure it is parallel to the reflector lines. Once the headlight is secure, we are going to connect the socket properly. That's it. And you can now use a cable tie to secure it somewhere or just put it like this. And now let's switch on the headlights. Now let's do a night test on the roads and see how this headlight performs. This is the low beam intensity and this is the high beam intensity. And that is how easy it is to install an H4 LED headlight in your car. We did it with the NaoEvo P1 or MR Lion, which is a 70 watt LED headlight, and it is amazing. You can get it too for yourself. The link is in the description. It will cost you 2000 rupees. Just you'll have to buy 4 pieces. I hope this video was helpful for you. Do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to follow Rev Explorers on Instagram as well. By the way, like we did it on Amaze, the same method is on i20, Swift or any other car that has H4 socket. See you in the next one. Bye bye.